Hello and welcome everyone to this week's COT review. I'm Thomas from COTbase.com. Today we're going to have a look at the 30th COT report in 2015. Here we go. As you may see, we've got soybean oil on top of our list with a 27% change in commercials positions. We've got 23 in large speculators and a much greater 41% change in small speculators positions, putting them back down to net short territories, as you may see. If you look at the chart, we had a similarly large change back over here when prices reacted to this change signal. So, of course, we may be expecting this to happen again. We have a few more examples, of course, in the past, all showing you how effective COT change signals are in soybean oil market. Moving on to the 5-year chart, you may see how extreme the market is becoming. In relative terms, we can say that we are moving towards bullish extreme levels. Of course, we're not at all-time or close to all-time levels, pretty far away from those levels, but nevertheless, we are moving rapidly away from this bearish extreme level, which of course indicates that we may see a bottom developing soon. Lumber is our next market with 19% change in commercials position. We've got 21 in large speculators. You may see the changes over here being larger than average, and similarly to soybean oil, of course, bullish. So we're expecting this to take its effect on price. It may not be a long-lasting effect, and we could see prices continue their decline. But if we look at the 5-year chart, we may see a little hint about the medium to longer term perspective in the lumber market. As you may see, we were at very significant bullish extreme levels not that long ago, pushing prices higher. But as they were going higher, of course, the bullish extreme went away, and we saw a bit of a bearish one developing, a relatively bearish one. Of course, we're speaking about roughly 2 years time range. Now prices are going down, and as they are, we see the extreme widening again. So we may need to wait a little bit more to reach those bullish extreme levels, and that will signal the end of this decline that we're seeing. British pound is our next market, 14% change over there in commercials and 16 in large speculators. You may see, here we go, you may see these changes on the chart. They're definitely larger than average, and of course we're expecting them to affect prices in the near term. 5 years chart, here we go. You may see the extreme on there, which is basically not an extreme to talk about, and that's about it. I think we can jump over to large speculator COT extreme signals and see whether we have any. Well, we still have the Mexican Peso on top of our list with its all-time COT extreme, but as you may see on Thursday and Friday, we had some significant shifts in price, which may signal the end of this decline. Who knows? The extreme is huge, humongous. We've never seen such an extreme in the Mexican Peso before. Bullish extreme, of course, so it may be the time to start a trade over there. Moving on to the oats market, we have 333 report extreme in commercials and 268 report extreme in large speculators. And of course, jumping to the 5-year chart, it becomes visible. Here we go. You see the large extreme, and you can see on this weekly candle over there that prices have gone higher last week. So, sorry, this week. So we are expecting from the extreme signal that this may continue in the upcoming few days, weeks as well. And last but not least, we've got the platinum with 153 report extreme in large speculators, 155 report extreme in commercials. You may see the extreme on the chart now, and of course we're talking about bullish extremes, possibly pushing prices higher from here. Not all-time COT extreme signals, but still significant. And of course, you may see on the chart that whenever we had such extremes in the market, they managed to push prices higher. So I would say that, again, we're talking about a market where COT extreme signals are effective. Okay, that is going to be all for this review. If you would like to have a look at other COT charts, you can do so at our COT charts page. But if you would like to have a more in-depth and detailed COT analysis, then of course this is the page you should be looking at. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope to see you next weekend. Have a great weekend. Take care. Goodbye.